waterfalls a couple days yesterday because it's been frozen. And then I just stood on this rock, then I saw that one, but I didn't see all these other ones. But what's cool about it is that there are bumps.
There's what?
There are bumps on the ice.
Okay, hold on. Go ahead.
So you see how it's coming out of that rock right there? Then there's a lot of bumps. Then, if you come down here, you've got a leaf that is frozen.
Oh wow, look at
That
that.
is in like an ice cube.
That's cool.
You've probably seen like movies. And like if you look, it kind of looks like little 3 waterfalls combined.
Huh?
Then over here is like icicles. And then so what I think how the waterfalls happen is so whenever it rains, the water comes in all the cracks and crevices through the rocks and makes a waterfall. Then if it's cold like this, they freeze. Then turn into that. Then if you look over here, there's frozen grass.
Oh wow, look at that.
And it kind of looks like maybe like a cheetah to me.
Yeah.
See little ears and a tail and legs.
Show me again.
It
Oh
kinda
yeah,
looks
look
like
at
a
that.
cheetah. See,
Little cheetah.
ears, legs, then a tail back there.
Yep.
Yeah, then. So I think it comes like there's a lot of little cracks and crevices in these rocks. So I think water is able to get in there and then create a little waterfall or a big waterfall that comes all the way down there if it's big enough.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Cool. Do you have anything to say about the one back there?
Oh, about this one?
Yeah.
This was the first one I saw. But to me, it kind of looks like pointy legs, like kind of like a brown recluse. See how it has pointy feet?
Oh yeah.
Then over here, it kind of looks like a caterpillar with the eyes formation. Yeah. Oh,
That's cool.
then over here, it looks like there was a little bit of water dripping down, but it couldn't quite reach the bottom, so it's just frozen. Then I bet you there's some more over here that needs a little icicle when it is froze.
Cool.
Oh, look over here. There's another frozen waterfall.
Wow.
So it looks like we have a little stream of ice that was coming down here. Then went over there. Then, like, that ice is solid. Like, I bet you I could step on it. And then it wouldn't break. See?
Oh, look at that. You did.
It's very sturdy.
Except it's slippery.
Yeah, it's very sturdy.
Oh, that
I can stomp on it. It will not break.
but the little waterfall is bumpy also, kind of like that other
Yeah.
one.
What I think is with waterfalls, like if it's a current, like there's little bumps.
Mhm.
So I think those just froze. Then that's what happened.
Oh, did you just break some ice?
No.
Oh, just slip.
Yeah, I just.
Okay. Well, that's pretty neat, isn't it?
Yep.